Good morning, children. Today, in this class, we are going to discuss about the same topic, that is chapter 2, land, soil, water, natural resources, wildlife, resources. This already we have discussed in detail. The importance of land, the uses of land use pattern in different countries, land degradation, and how to conserve the land degradation. Children, and followed by next one is even soil also. Even soil, the importance of soil, degradation of soil, and conservation of soil. And third one is water, importance of water, water scarcity, how it takes place, what are the causes for water scarcity, and the modern techniques, conservation of water. Conservation of water, what are the methods we can implement to conserve the water? That is rooftop rainwater harvesting, drip irrigation, those things we have discussed. Then coming to the followed by natural vegetation and wildlife. So the entire topic we have discussed in the previous class. Children, we can see now here, after the end of the topic, here they are given few exercises. That is the question answers and followed by the multiple choice. Please take down now here. The first one is exercises. Number 1. Which are the two main factors? Which are the main climatic factors responsible for soil formation? Which are the two main climatic factors responsible for soil formation? Please write down, please. Which are the two main climatic factors responsible for soil formation? Children, there are plenty of reasons, factors for responsible for soil formation. They ask you to write only two. You write down, one is climate, second one is time. Or otherwise you write down flora as well as fauna. Any two factors you write down. Clear? And question number 2. That is, write any two reasons. Write any two reasons for land degradation today. Children, they are asking you to write two reasons for land degradation of today. Yeah. Reasons for land degradation is mining activities, agriculture, construction of industries, construction works. All those things you can write down. Question number 2 is, all of you write down, please. Question number 2. Write any two reasons for land degradation of today. And question number 3. Children, are you writing? Question number 3. Why is land considered? Or you can write like this. You can write, why land is considered an important resource. Why land is considered an important resource. Here, question number 3 is, why land is considered an important resource. Because this is already we have discussed, land is one of the finest example for natural resource. We have been using this land into many ways. Land using for agriculture, we have been using for to run the various industries, and we have been using for even transport network, that is railways and roadways. Transport system, network of transportation. So there are plenty of uses we can get. So why land is considered an important resource? Written children. And fourth one is, name any two steps. Name any two steps that government has to conserve. Name any two steps that government has to conserve the plants and animals. How government is going to conserve or protecting the flora and fauna? The question is that. Write down the factors or what methods can government can implement to protect the flora and fauna. To protect the flora and fauna. That is the question. Name any two steps that government has to conserve. Write down children, last bench. Write down. Government has to conserve the plants and animals. Plants and animals. That is question number 4. Name any two steps. Name any two steps that government has to conserve plants and animals. Next, fifth one, suggest 3 ways to conserve water. Fifth one is, suggest 3 ways or suggest 3 methods to conserve the water. How you are going to conserve the water? What modern methods can you implement for present days? Wherever there is a shortage of water, particularly in the dry regions, deserts, hilly areas, wherever there is a scarcity of water, lack of amount of rainfall, so these methods can apply. That's why this question asks, suggest 3 ways to conserve the water. To conserve the water. That already we have discussed. One is rainwater harvesting, rooftop rainwater harvesting. Rooftop rainwater harvesting is one of the finest example in the hilly areas and dry regions of arid and semi-arid regions of Rajasthan, particularly Rajasthan, because this is the area receives a minimum rainfall, the lowest rainfall, 20 centimeters per annum, very low rainfall. Okay, so rainwater harvesting is one of the best method, and second one is that is drip irrigation, and third one is even bamboo drip irrigation. Okay, you can write down any 3. Suggest 3 ways to conserve the water. Children, these are the exercise question answers given. Please write down and please prepare the notes. Or very simple questions. Already we have discussed the topic in detail. I hope you can write, you don't face any problem. If at all any problem, please welcome. When you come back, we will discuss. I am ready to discuss you. I am ready to clarify your doubts. Clear? Next question. Here, second question is that is multiple choice. They are given a few multiple choice questions. Here, number one is that is tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answers. Write down please. Boys, write down. Tick the correct answers. Number one is which one of the following? Which one of the following? Here. Which one of the following is not a factor for? Which one of the following is not a factor for soil formation? They are given three answers, but this one factor is not a factor for soil formation. One is time, soil structure, third one is organic matter. Which of the following is not a factor for soil formation? Which is here? Yes, soil formation. Here, soil structure. Okay. Next one. Number two is in multiple choice. Question number 2 is in which one of the following? In which one of the following? In which one of the following methods? Which one of the following methods is most appropriate? To check the soil erosion? To check the soil erosion on steep slopes. To check the soil erosion on steep slopes. I'll repeat once again, children. Number 2, which one of the following methods? Which one of the following methods is most appropriate? To check the soil erosion? To check the soil erosion on steep slopes. Soil erosion on steep slopes. A. Shelter belts. Number 1 options are here. They are given 3 options. Right down. Number 1 is shelter belts, and B. mulching, and C. terrace cultivation. Number 1 is shelter beds. Number 2 is mulching, and C, that is terrace cultivation. Which one of the following methods is most appropriate to check the soil erosion on steep slopes? Shelter beds, mulching, and terrace cultivation. Written? Next, third one is which one of the following? Which one of the following is not A? In which of the following? Which one of the following? Which one of the following is not in favor of the conservation of nature. Favor of the conservation of nature. Children, are you writing? Yes. Which one of the following is not in favor of the conservation of nature? Conservation of nature. A. Switch off the bulb when not in use. Switch off the bulb when not in use. A. That is third one, multiple choice. Options number A. Switch off the bulb. Switch off the bulb when not in use. When not in use. And second one is B. Close the tap immediately. Close the tap immediately. Close the tap immediately after using. Close the tap immediately. Close the tap immediately after using. That is second one, B. And third one is dispo poly packs after shopping. Dispo poly packs after shopping. That is the third one. Which one of the following is not in favor of the conservation of nature? There are three factors given. Among these three factors, which one is not favor? Which one is not favor for conservation of nature? Switch off the bulb when it is not used, related to conservation. Close the tap immediately after use. Dispo poly packs after shopping. Dispo poly packs after shopping. So, switch off the bulb when it is not in use. Right? So, these are the multiple choice questions given. So, all these questions, please attempt it. Please go through it. Both here, the exercises also. How many questions given? They are given here 5 questions. They are given 5 questions and 4 multiple choice. Please go through it. Write down. If any doubt, any problem, please let me know. You are all always welcome. This is the topic number 2. Land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. So related to this topic is generally the most appropriate question is number 1. As you said here, related to land degradation is very important. How to conserve the land degradation of land. Write down what are the methods fulfill the degradation of land. Then followed by second one is why land is considered important resource. See, we have been using different ways Because of those human activities as well as natural factors, due to that degradation takes place. Now question same time they are asking, write down the methods for degradation of land. Clear? Both are very important. At the same time, next come to the related to water is. Related to water. Explain briefly about rooftop rainwater harvesting. It's very important for CBSE examinations, children. Remember this. One of the modern method to conserve the water, especially in the lack of rain, non-availability of water in various parts of the country. Places like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and all the northeastern states, particularly in particular Meghalaya, as you know, children. Meghalaya, capital of Shillong. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. So here, Meghalaya is a place receiving highest rainfall in the world. Meghalaya is the state receiving maximum amount of rainfall in the world. But even then, because of hilly surface, because of the rugged surface, different land forms of the formation, we cannot store the water. We cannot conserve the water. We cannot even construct the dam. Even to conserve the water, we cannot construct the dams. We cannot construct reservoirs because it is a plateau region. It is a form full of mountains. Therefore, storing water in the hilly region is very, very difficult. So, Meghalaya is one of the finest example. So, these areas they have started implementing this rooftop rainwater harvesting. It's one of the best method to conserve the water. We can say rainwater harvesting or rooftop rainwater harvesting. In India, Tamil Nadu is the first state who has implemented this method. That is Tamil Nadu. They made compulsory. If anybody is not using this method, in government itself they used to punish these defaulters, children. Okay? So conservation of water, rainwater harvesting is the best method. Clear? Thank you.